Earwax is produced by glands in the ear canal. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at some massive earwax extractions. Although scientists are still not completely sure why we have earwax, it does trap dust and other small particles and prevent them from reaching and potentially damaging or infecting the eardrum. Normally, the wax dries up and falls out of the ear, along with any trapped dust or debris. Everyone makes earwax, but the amount and type are genetically determined, just like hair color or height.
There we are, we're just getting a little bit more movement to it. There you go. And as it comes out, it actually almost touches the camera, so we move the camera slightly. There we go. We will show you this wax at the end. I've got a shot of it next against the ruler, so you can just see it as it goes past. Lovely shiny eardrum.
Smaller or oddly shaped ear canals may make it difficult for the naturally occurring wax to get out of the canal and can lead to wax impactions. So, when should you see a doctor? According to WebMD, see your doctor if you think you have any symptoms of earwax impaction. And these symptoms may include a feeling of fullness in the ear, pain in the ear, difficulty hearing, tinnitus, a feeling of itchiness in the ear, discharge, odor, or dizziness. Other conditions may cause these symptoms, and it is important to be sure earwax is the culprit before trying any home remedies. Personally, I enjoy an earwax removal kit. I'll put a link to my favorite below, and we'll have more about the earwax curette in a moment. So do you suffer from earwax? Leave a comment below with your earwax stories. Hey folks, for a great way to remove earwax, check out this lighted pick. Its shape gives you more precision, making it less likely to push earwax farther back into your ear, which is a common problem with Q-tips. And the light helps you see what you're doing. These picks make a great addition to your medicine cabinet, so check out the link below if you'd like to get one for yourself.